WJZ is following a developing story out of Baltimore City. A teenage boy accused of raping and murdering an elderly woman in West Baltimore has now been indicted. WJZ is live off Wabash Avenue. Rick Ritter just stepped out of the district court with the new developments. Rick.
Well, Vic, 14-year-old Tyrone Harvin was not present in court today, but the state says he's now been indicted on rape and murder charges. Police say the 7th grader is behind one of the most heinous crimes this city has ever seen. Nearly 70 years separate Tyrone Harvin and Dorothy Mae Neal, but authorities say that didn't stop the 7th grader from beating the elderly woman, raping her, and leaving her to die.
It's sickening and it's sad.
Just weeks ago, neighbors at the Rosemont Garden Apartments in West Baltimore called police after no sign of the 83-year-old for days. Officers found Neal unresponsive in her apartment, beaten and sexually assaulted. She died at the hospital hours later.
She would do anything she could to help anybody. She worked at our church as a missionary.
The 14-year-old Harvin was arrested the next week, and on Wednesday he was indicted in district court. Charging documents paint a grim picture of what was found in Neal's apartment: a broken and bloody lamp, dry blood on the door, and used condoms.
We can tell you without even checking our records, this is the youngest person we've charged in Baltimore this year, and probably the last couple years with murder.
Harvin first told police he didn't know Neal, but later said he helped her take out the trash and talk to her about church. Charging documents state the teen never admitted to the crime, but that his fingerprints were found on condom wrappers at the scene.
That's evil in the world, evil in the world. Very disappointing.
Now, last year, Harvin was charged as an adult with armed robbery. That case was later dropped. He's being charged as an adult in this case and is due back in court on October 19th. Live in Baltimore City tonight, I'm Rick Ritter for WJZ.